If you're in the Forex market looking for results and you know about Forex prop firms, stick around until the end of this video because I'm going to show you the best path to take in the prop firms market. If you don't know me, welcome to my channel. My name is Lincoln Winiarski. I have 8 years of experience in the financial market, and today I help people profit in the American prop firm market, earning in dollars by copying and pasting everything I do. And if you're in the Forex market today, understand one thing. The Forex market really is the biggest market in the world. I, Lincoln, am from the Forex market. I trade my own capital in the Forex market. But when it comes to prop firms, what happens today, unfortunately, with Forex prop firms? Man, 99% of them are no good. 99% will give you a headache when you get approved and request your first withdrawal. Why? Because most of them have crazy rules. Most of them will limit you, especially prop firms that allow approval with HFT and robots. Be really careful with that. If the Forex prop firm you're looking at today, if you're trying to study it to see if it's worth buying and joining, be cautious. Man, those YouTubers, those Instagram guys who keep recommending firms that accept HFT, don't fall for that trap. These firms, they don't pay out. After all, you're going to be trading with these companies' capital. So what happens then? You'll have an easy time passing the evaluation because it's an HFT robot, and quotes. Wait, what's the logic behind that? Do you really think the company wants you to make money, knowing it wasn't actually you who passed the evaluation and they're aware of that? So right there you can already see the huge trap, so don't fall for it. And another very crucial point, Forex prop firms are very expensive and they're not regulated. That's why these companies do whatever they want. That's why there are so many scams, so many little rules, they demand, they block accounts, limit withdrawals. Why is that? There's no regulation at all. And that's why I switched from Forex to futures prop firms. So today I still trade my own capital in Forex, but when it comes to prop firm trading, I trade with American companies, companies based in the United States, regulated by the CME, the Chicago Mercantile Exchange, in other words, the Chicago Exchange. Just look at the difference. And here's the thing, okay, you might not have heard yet about American prop firms. But American prop firms are much more robust, much more serious than the biggest Forex companies out there today, which would be, in this case, you probably know FTMO and the 5% heirs. But what's the main point here? These Forex companies are really expensive, man. Whereas with an American prop firm, you can pay 3 or 4 times less than you would with the Forex firms. In other words, with the price of one test at a Forex firm, you could buy 2, 3, even 4 tests at American prop firms. And today, the best prop firm that I think is the best, and I'm not just saying that, there are plenty of proofs, and really, there are no issues with it, because it truly is the best firm, is Take Profit Trader. Why? It's not just because it's better, but also because it doesn't have a consistency rule on the funded account. There are no withdrawal limits, and even better, there are no minimum trading days required on the funded account. After you build the cushion, which is basically like a second phase, okay, it's just a different name, but it's basically a second phase. From that point on, everything you make in profit, you can withdraw daily from 80 to 90% of the profit. How crazy is that? So if you get your account approved today and you make, say, $10,000 in profit on the first day of trading, you can already request that withdrawal, and within 24 hours it'll be in your account. Like, seriously, that just doesn't exist at any other Forex prop firm, man. Usually, with Forex prop firms, man, it's 30 days, 15 days, 20 days before you can even start making withdrawals, and then, yeah, it's every 30 or 15 days after that. And that gives you a huge window where you don't have time to take advantage of positive cycles and actually put money in your pocket. Look at the big difference here. This already proves that the Take Profit prop firm really wants people to get results. They want the trader to make money and actually withdraw that money. You get it? Because, after all, if they allow daily withdrawals, it's because, man, the firm really cares about the trader. You know what I mean? No consistency rule and no limitations. So, yeah, that already shows the biggest difference. Alright, so, if you're already in the prop trading world, you know, I'll mention a few well-known names today, like FTMO, the 5% heirs, Teratech, and so on. Man, a lot of people have issues with these firms, mainly because they keep coming up with new rules. And I'm not saying that FTMO and the 5% heirs are bad, because they're not. But, man, you can find much better firms, way cheaper, regulated, and where you can withdraw daily, like Take Profit Trader, for example, you know? So, just with that, you can already see a big difference. And here's an important point I want to mention in this video. Now, I don't know when you'll be watching this, but right now, Take Profit is running a promotion. What promotion is this? When you click the link in the video description and, at the time of your purchase, you enter the coupon trader, L for Lincoln, my name, right, trader, all in uppercase letters. When you use this coupon, you get 30% off the evaluation and you don't pay the activation fee. Man, to put it very clearly and simply, instead of paying $280 for a $25,000 challenge, for example, you will pay $105. That's 3 times cheaper. That's basically it. So, in other words, it's really worth it. And Take Profit only runs promotions twice a year, okay? So, the thing is, this promotion is about to end now, and the next time it comes around will probably only be at the end of the year. So, we don't know how long this promotion will be available. So, take advantage if you want this chance to get this huge discount on the evaluation, okay? And man, that's it. If I were you, I'd make a switch. Oh, and an important point, if you're in the Forex market, okay? But I trade euro to US dollar, pound sterling to US dollar, gold. Man, how am I supposed to trade on American prop firms if I don't trade indices? On American prop firms, you can also trade assets that are paired with the dollar. Euro to US dollar, AUD, Australian dollar to US dollar, pound sterling to US dollar, gold itself, silver, oil. Basically, you can trade a bunch of assets that are also available in Forex, which, honestly, are the assets traders use the most, right? The main assets, man, are available on futures prop firms too. Obviously, you're not going to trade using MetaTrader. You will use NinjaTrader, which is a different platform, okay? But this way, you will get the hang of it. Just like you learned to trade on MetaTrader, you'll trade on NinjaTrader too. After all, YouTube is here. If you want to learn with me, I have a trading room. But anyway, what happens? Man, make that switch. At first, when I heard about futures prop firms, I was a bit resistant. Why? I came from the Forex market and I'm still in the Forex market, guys. A decentralized market, the biggest market in the world. So, I used to think that the Forex market was the best, and honestly, the Forex market really is the best. But when it comes to prop firms, man, the American market is light years ahead. Alright, it's light years ahead, without all those little rules just to catch traders out. Obviously, that's if you choose good firms, right? Like Take Profit Trader, which is an excellent firm, okay? So that's it. Here's a tip for you who's already in the prop firm market, who already understands the vision of what it is, what it means to trade with a prop firm. The advantages of having institutional capital there to trade with. Alright, so that's it. We're in this together. God bless you. And hey, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell here. And if you want, take advantage of the Take Profit promotion using the link in the description with the coupon trader. And on my channel there are other videos too, comparing Take Profit with other prop firms. Best strategies, risk management, rules, anyway, everything you need is available on my channel. Deal? We're in this together. God bless you. See you next time. Bye-bye. Thanks.